Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how camera pro mode works on the NOKIA XR21. So to open the pro mode you have to go for the more modes and then open the pro mode. It appears right here. That's the quick tutorial. If you open it for the first time, I'm gonna skip it actually, but if you want to know how to use it, you can also take a look for it. And when you are here, I will recommend you to click on this information icon. No, never mind, that was a mistake. I mean, we have to click not on in the information icon, just tap right here on the white balance. We are gonna start from this option. So here we can change the white balance manually and automatically by going to the A. The same for the focus, so take a look. As you can see right now, the button is out of the focus because I just set it up the infinite focus. So when I'm gonna put it a little bit closer, we can catch focus on this button. Then we can find ISO level. Here we can also set up the shutter speed. We can set it for 20 seconds. At the bottom we can find the exposure compensation, and as you can see, that's the only parameter that you can only adjust manually. If you want to reset the parameters, just click on this arrow, and when you tap right here we can also switch the photo format. By tapping right here we can turn on the flashlight, and on the left upper corner we can find other things like the shutter delay between 3 or 10 seconds, the grid lines, camera leveler and camera watermark. That's all for this video, hope you like it.